Hi, I'm Kep Kepner, CPA here in Dallas. We've been talking about how you move from being an I business, which is a business that's centered around you, where you have to be there every day to sell, operate, and manage your business, to a business that can operate without you being present every day. That's the kind of business that you can grow in value and it becomes an asset of yours that you can sell at a later time. So making that transition is a significant step, and you must do everything right to be successful at it. We've talked about a number of those activities, including setting targets, including knowing the kind of business you're in, measuring, documenting, having a marketing method that's designed to bring people to you so that you can qualify them. But let's talk about another step in all of that. It has to do with strategies. For every one of the functions of your business, you should have a strategy that when put together, it means that your business can operate not just for today and tomorrow, but strategically into the future. So if your business can get to one stage just by hiring an employee who does the work and you go out and sell the work, well, that's a great step, but that's not very strategic. The fact of the matter is, how are you going to do that work? Are you going to add 20 people and just have 19 other salespeople besides you so that each of you sells something that one person delivers? That's not very productive. You have to find a way to streamline your business. You have to look at the way you do the selling of your product. You have to look at the way you perform and delivering your product. And you have to be strategic about it. If the business is changing, if your customers are changing, then you need to implement strategies today that will allow you to grow and also adapt to what your clients' businesses are doing. So you can continue not only to sell to them, but to sell more. So strategies are more about setting a longer term functionality for your business. So you have to look at each element of your business. Let's say it's people, okay? You've got a great staff, you've grown your business. Now, how are you strategic about people? One, you need to be strategic about people so that they can cross-train. So you're not held hostage if one employee leaves. Now you're stuck, okay? So strategically, you want to cross-train your people. Strategically, you want to understand what motivates your staff so that they will be more content and fulfilled working for you. Okay, it's not always about the money. It's also about the responsibility you give them. Very often it's about you, the owner, getting out of the way and letting them do what they do best. So strategically, if you can have that employee who's cross-trained, who's paid well enough to meet their needs, who strategically is fulfilled in their work so that they can grow within your company and take on more responsibility, and they can do that better than farming out some part of your work to India, for example, which quite frankly doesn't work all that well. Just look at all the call centers that you have to call. Not a very good solution if you want to talk to somebody who can help you. So it's about being strategic, and if you have a competitor who's decided to get an advantage by the less expensive approach of having work done in India, then you better have a strategy to deal with that, because their cost structure is going to be less. So you have to find a way so that you can use your cost structure, the American cost structure, to do a job for your clients. And you can do that if you develop the right strategies. So you have to have a strategy for each element of your business, for sales, for management, for marketing, for finance, and you need to build on that. So if you need help in that area, we can help you.